Are you earning less selling real estate than you wish you were? Are you open to the idea of having some help with that? I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training, and I want you to know at Fearless Agent, if what we do is a good fit for you, we know how to get you there. One of the secrets to success in real estate, to me, is you have to have a commitment to being the very best you can be and a passion for learning more about it every day. Now, I'm about passioned out. If I watch YouTube videos, everybody's talking, I'm so passionate about this. You know, I've had it enough with the passion. I'm looking for skills, the schedule, and the systems of the Fearless Agent. If I'm failing or earning below my potential, it's not passion that's going to get you there. But if you're going to have passion about something, you've got to have a commitment to being the best you can be. And when I say be the best you can be, I'm talking about for your customer, for your seller, for your buyer, for your investor, and for you and your family. Be the best you can be and have a passion for learning more about that every day. So until the next video, I want you to focus on the basics. I want you to be committed. I want you to be obsessed. And I want you to get your skills, your schedule, and your systems right. And I want you to feel free to call me anytime at 480-385-8810. And let's see if you would be a good fit for Fearless Agent Coaching, because if you are, you're going to get rich. And if you're not, I'm still going to help you either way. So call me anytime, 480-385-8810. I want to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.